In Harlem there's a little place where everyone goes to see the way a washerwoman washes her clothes. If you like boogie woogie rhythm, she's got a beat. Let the boogie woogie washerwoman give you a treat. On every afternoon at 1 the sessions begin, and all the boys from all the bands come down and sit in. They sit around and knock each other out when they play, while the boogie woogie washerwoman washes all day. Rub-a-dub-dub, that's just the way she rubs. Rub-a-dub-dub, that's just the way she scrubs. Rub-a-dub-dub, she wears out all her tubs. She rubs and rubs her knuckles right on down to the nubs. Rub-a-dub-dub, that's how she kicks it off. Rub-a-dub-dub, she keeps it nice and soft. Rub-a-dub-dub, till someone hollers on, scrub me mama with the boogie beat. You really ought to visit there if you've never been. It doesn't cost a penny, just come down and walk in. If you like boogie woogie rhythm, you'll get a treat. Let the boogie woogie washerwoman give you the beat. Rub, 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 rub-a-rubbing all day. She's a scrubbing old boogie woogie rhythm all day. Scrub, rub, a-washing all day. Scrub me mama with the boogie beat. Scrub me clean and let me dream till rub-a-dub-dub. That's the way she scrubs. Rub-a-dub-dub, that's the way she rubs, 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 rubbing along, singing a boogie woogie song. Do-do-do-do-da-da. That's how she kicks it off. Ti-ti-ti-li-ya-ta. She keeps it nice and soft. Ti-ti-ti-li-ya-ta. Till someone hollers all, scrub me mama with a boogie beat. You really ought to visit there if you've never been. It doesn't cost a penny, just come down and walk in. If you like boogie woogie rhythm, you will get a treat. Let the boogie washerwoman give you a treat. Scrub me mama with the boogie beat.
Okay, this is just a quick video about on the Maytag 92 motor that I just finished restoring for a friend's birthday. This motor, if you don't know, Maytag washing machines, because electricity wasn't everywhere in the United States, they actually made gas-powered washing machines. Oops, sorry for the shadow. Back from the early teens until the early 50s. And this is a single-cylinder model off of Model 31 washing machine. It was built in May of 1937, which is the last year for the single-cylinder version. Then they made a twin-cylinder version also in 37, and that was the engine they used until the early 50s. Anyways, this came out of Montana. It was a complete rust bucket, so I went through it and restored everything. And let's see if we can fire it up here real quick. Notice the kickstart. And that's it.